Hello guys, so this video is going to demonstrate the use of an IoT power extension which can be operated through an Android mobile phone. It includes the unboxing, operation and some applications of the device that you're seeing in front of you. So as you see, nice in a sturdy box. Let's unbox this. And you see here, nice shiny black IoT Android power extension. Let's take it out and see how it works. So it has longer than 1 meter wire, so you can put it anywhere and then put the extension more than 1 meter away. Let's switch it on and see how it operates. So we plug this in, and as soon as you plug it in, you see these lights blinking, which shows that it has obtained the power. Now once you have plugged in, get a cell phone, an Android cell phone of course, and launch the IoT Switches app, which can easily be downloaded from the Play Store. So this is the app that I've already downloaded. Let's start this. See, nice and beautiful app. So it starts, and the options that you see in front of you are self-explanatory. So see these four switches for switching on and off. So every single switch, the lamp 1 corresponds to the first switch, lamp 2, lamp 3 and lamp 4. So these four options can clearly be seen here. There are certain options which let me explain to you. So the plus sign is there for adding a new device. So if I tap on this, you see this requirement, enter the code below. So this code can be obtained from the back of the device. So when you purchase a new device, there's going to be a sticker of the code at the back of the device. Make sure you don't share that code with anybody, because whoever has this code can control your device through this app. So this code is a top secret for you. Only keep it to yourself. Alright, so when you have the code, you enter this, you tap connect, and it will connect. Since I already have the code and I don't want to reveal the code in front of you, so let's skip this step. The second option that you see on the top is this Wi-Fi connection button. So if you tap on that, you see that it has already detected the Wi-Fi through which my cell phone is connected to the internet, and it's the same Wi-Fi through which this device should also be connected. And for that you have to enter the key, the password key in the password section, and tap confirm, and it's going to be connected to the Wi-Fi. Let's go back. Since I'm already connected, I'm not going to do that. Alright, now let's see how it operates. So yeah, it has these four options. Let's see, when I tap the first option, what happens. So you see the first switch switches on, and you also see a notification at the bottom that somebody has switched on the first lamp. Let's do it to the second one. Switches on, the third one. Let's wait for a second. It switches on. You see the notification at the bottom that somebody has switched on lamp 3. So just in case you don't have the device with you, but you get a notification, it will tell you that somebody has switched on the device. And let's do the switch 4. So these four switches, you can see clearly, can easily be controlled through this device. Let's switch them all off and then check some other options. So other options are timed switching on and switching off. So on the left you see turn on the right you see turn off. So let's say I enter the switching off time. So at the moment it's 20:54. Let's move it to 55 and then see what happens when the time switches to 55. So you see, as the time approached 20:55, it switches off. So this can be used to maybe control the charging of your mobile phone, because if you leave it overnight, it's going to overcharge, which is going to reduce the battery life. But if you have this device IoT with you, you can set up the alarm of switching off, and exactly after 1 hour or whatever time you set, it's going to switch off and your mobile will not be overcharged. Another application could be maybe a water pump. So in Karachi, obtaining clean water is a hassle. and sometimes you get water 2 a.m. in the morning, and it's of course very difficult to wake up from your deep sleep and go and switch on the pump. So by using this device, you can switch on the pump through alarm. So you can set the alarm at 2 a.m. 2 in the morning, and the pump is going to switch on, and exactly after 1 hour you can switch it off, because it also has a turn off option available. So this is the Android device which you can use through internet connection from anywhere in the world. And if you don't have an internet connection, and let's say you don't want to spend any more on paying for the cloud's charges, then you have this manual operation as well. So you can use these buttons to switch this on and off, and use it just as a manual power extension. It's nice and beautiful. It will look good in any place in your drawing room, your bedroom. So this was the demonstration of IoT Android device. I hope you like it. If you want to purchase this, please send us a message. Thank you very much.